Hey guys, Scotty with Miller Marine here. We got our good friends here with Sea Monkey Charters. He does backcountry and offshore. We got his offshore boat in right now. We repowered this boat, I believe it was last year, with brand new V8 Mercury, the 300s. Really good motors, good looking motors, torquey as can be. He's in for a 400-hour service and getting them tuned up, ready to go to the Bahamas with her for the summer. Did water pumps, oil, and all the fuel filters. So he's good to go for the next couple hundred hours. He'll be in another 100 hours to do another oil change in the meantime after that. This boat's got a second station on it. We rigged that out as well. While it was in, we put a new balls out GPS mount up on the upper station. Pulled the old one out that we had on there. It wasn't secure enough. We're now a dealer for them. So we're providing those now, and they're really good mounts. They can do all kinds of different features, up, down, side to side, sideways, whatever you want it, we can do it. So